Hi there, this is Javier with Advanced Test Equipment, and today we'll be showcasing the capabilities of the Wi-Fi tester Fluke AirCheck. Here we will start the Fluke AirCheck tester. You can see how fast it starts up. One of the main functions that's very optimal is using the AutoTest function. So when you're in a pinch and you need help setting up and understanding why the reason a Wi-Fi network is not performing as it should, we can run a quick test and see what's going on. Once the tests are done, it's advisable to check what is actually failing, because not everything could potentially be failing as you're going through the settings. You can see specifically what Wi-Fi channels are having the issue and what access points are also having the issue. So it's good to get that insight while you're working on the network. And you could also go through the network settings and see all the various networks that you have. And you could also check both the strength, the signal to noise ratio, and the name of the networks. And when you click on them, you could also see specifically all the data there, and also the physical MAC addresses. And with the access points, you could see every single node and access points that are within your area. You could click directly into them and see what type of encryption and authentication they use and the type of Wi-Fi signal. So it's good to get this info in case you really need it. Along with viewing all the access points, you could also view all the clients connected to the network. And from there, you could troubleshoot if any specific client is having an issue with the network. Also with the channels, you could see all the various interferences, such as Bluetooth, microwaves, radio frequencies. All of that will be highlighted in gray, and the actual Wi-Fi signals will be in blue. And the various little dots that you see on the screen are the actual Wi-Fi networks. So things like this and this are the actual channels that the Wi-Fi is residing in. And luckily in the US, the Wi-Fi access points are on 1, 6, and 11. And those are non-overlapping channels, so you don't have to worry about it too much. Along with seeing all the various channels, it's good to take note of the adjacent channels if there's any excessive noise, because you want to be able to reduce that if possible. And with that, you could also change the megahertz of the Wi-Fi channel, so the less interference you could get, you can increase it from 20 megahertz, which is the usual standard, is to lower the interferences to like 600 or 80 megahertz, just to really increase like the amount of power you could use on the Wi-Fi signals. In conclusion, the Wi-Fi tester is a great tool for IT tech teams and system administrators to be able to identify issues and to be able to remedy them. For more information, go to www.atecore.com. Thanks for watching.